Today we'll talk about how can you enable device biometric on your premise app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on security, click on it here. When you just click on security, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to device biometric, click in this sign. Then like you saw, when you just click on it here, scan your fingerprint here. So then it's going to enable with you here or use bottom here. So I'm going to add this in. You click here on continue, then it's going to enable with you here like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.